Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons. Are you ready for today? That's good. Today we are going to learn different kitchen utensils and various objects that you might find in the kitchen. Let's go! Spatula, whisk, tongs, ladle, slotted spoon, mixing bowls, measuring cups and spoons, kitchen scale, colander, can opener, grater, vegetable peeler, kitchen shears, rolling pin, cutting board, knife set, oven mitts, baking dish, roasting pan, sieve or strainer, pastry brush, measuring jug, garlic press, corkscrew, egg slicer, stove, microwave, blender, toaster, coffee maker, kettle, dish rack, trash bin, dishwasher, food processor, slow cooker, oven, bakeware, cookware, mixing spoons, storage containers, tea towels, spice rack, canisters, utensil holder, napkin holder, drying mat, bakeware cooling racks. Wow, you have so many stars, kid! Don't forget, just keep on practicing so that you will not forget these objects when you see it in your kitchen. Bye-bye!